Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to use ClickUp CRM. Open up your homepage. Now add a new space. You can create a new space from scratch. Here we will use a template. Search for CRM and now select the template that you like. Now use the template. Type in your space name and now use the template. Now click on the overview option. Now you can see lists. Now click on one. Here you see the list is tracking your leads. You can customize the list as you like and can change the properties such as status, assignees, dates, and priority of the list item. You can even add track time, add tags and more. You can add mails, numbers, and anything that helps you to its properties. And that's it. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.